This is the Lakenheath Intermediate ASL class, lesson 3, which is basically things having to do with shopping. So the first vocabulary word that we have, is shoes. Shoes is you take your fists, S hands actually, and you put them close together, palms down, and hit them twice, okay? Shoes. Shoes. The second one is shirt. Shirt is you just take your finger, your thumb and your finger, and you pull on your shirt and pull it forward, okay? Shirt. The third one is pants. Pants are you take your hands, palms toward you, put them kind of down at your waist and pull them. So it's like you're pulling your pants up, I guess. Okay, so pants, pants. The next one is coat. Coat, or you take your A hands like this, you put them at your shoulders, and then you bring it to your chest, okay? Like you're putting your coat on. Coat. The next one is dress. Dress is you take your 5 hands, palms towards you, hit your shoulders, and move it out, okay? Dress. I mean, you actually move it more down than out. Dress. The next one is money. Money is you take your non-dominant hand, palm up. Your dominant hand, you make this puppet or smashed O hand shape. Same hand shape that you would use to do food. And you put it on your palm and you hit it twice, okay? So money. So the next one is buy. So this same hand shape you do as you're doing the sign for money, you just flip it out from your palm, okay? Buy. So it's like your money is on your palm and it's going out. Buy. If you want to do, or then the next thing is save, then we'll do shopping. The next one is save. So you take your fist, take your A hand with your non-dominant hand, palm towards you. You take your dominant hand with 2 fingers and you put the 2 fingers palm towards you and you hit it on the back of your wrist. So make sure this is a fist, okay? Save, and you hit it twice. Save. Very good. The next one is shopping. So we did our money. We did buy because your money is going out. So for shopping, you do it twice. Or if you go shopping all day, you do it many times if you like, okay? So shopping. Shopping. All right, the next one is dollars. Dollars is you take your non-dominant hand, you point it towards so your palm is towards you. You take your dominant hand and you kind of curve it and you go over the top and out. So this is kind of like your dollar bill. Okay, so dollars. So if you wanted to do like $42, you would do $42. If you wanted to say something and then cents, cents is the next one, you hit your forehead and you bring it out, cents. So if you wanted to say like $53.32, you would do $53.32. Okay? It's a good thing to practice or all those numbers. Cost is you take your non-dominant hand, palm to the opposite side, okay, and you take your dominant hand and you make an X. You put the X like this, okay? You put it like that on your non-dominant hand and you run it down, okay? So this is like the receipt, you know, it's listing all of the things on there. That's how I remember it. So this is cost, okay? So you could say like the cost of the dress was $32.50. So that's just an example. Okay, so the next one is apple. I just put things on here so that we could go and buy, or we could have sentences with things that we could go and buy. So the next one is apple. Apple is you kind of make an X, I guess, with your hand, only really crooked or really curved over. You take your thumb and you kind of put it in it like this, okay? And then you take your knuckle, you put it at your cheek, and you twist it. Apple. Okay? Apple. Now, grapes is the next one. Grapes is you make the grapevine, and be sure you go down from your wrist towards your hand. So your non-dominant hand is palm down, your dominant hand is curved, kind of like a claw, okay? And you go down like this, okay? Grapes. So it's like all of the grapes on the vine. Then the next one is chicken. Chicken is the same sign as 20. 20 is out here, right? 20. But chicken is at your mouth. Chicken, okay? Chicken. The next one is need, should, or must. So you will use this sign a lot. It seems like I always use it because I always have to go somewhere, or I need to go somewhere. So need is you just take your X hand with your dominant hand and you bring it down, okay? Need. I need to go to the store, okay? Need. The next one is pretty. Pretty is you take your 5 hand, you put it on the side of your face, just to the right of your face, or if you're left-handed, you put it just to the left of your face, and you go around and then bring it into that same like hand shape that we use for food. So pretty. Now handsome, you could do it with an H, okay? Handsome. Handsome or pretty, okay? The next one is how much. How much is the same as how many. So you just have your hands like with O's, in the shape of O's with palms up, and you just flip it up like this, okay? So how much or how many? Like this, flipped up, okay? All right, the next one is past or last. So if you want to say last Saturday I went shopping, past or last is you just take your right hand, or take your dominant hand, you put it facing the back, and you just wave it backwards, okay? Or not, or push it down, I guess. Past. So, or last. So this is the last, is in like last Thursday I went somewhere. So this is the last having to do with time. If you wanted to talk about last as in she was last in line, that's a different sign. So you wouldn't use this sign. This is just for the time one. Okay, so the next one is will or future. This one is you take your dominant hand, you point it towards the opposite side, okay, and you just move it forward, because remember, everything in the future is in front of you, anything in the past is behind you. Okay, so will. So I will go to the movie. I will go to the movie. Okay, will. The next one is expensive. Expensive is you have your money here, right? So you hit your palm and then you go like this. So it's like you're making a big pile of money, okay? Because it's expensive, it's a lot of money. So you hit it and then you go up. Expensive, okay? The next one is computer, because I was just trying to think of something that is expensive. And so I did the sign for computer because we use that sign quite a bit actually when you're talking about it with students and things like that. So you make a fist, or actually no, sorry. You make your hand is flat, your non-dominant hand is flat, palm down. You make a C hand with your dominant hand. You put it on your wrist and then you move it towards your elbow. Just do it twice. Computer, okay? Computer. Very good. See you in class.